Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Dropbox subscription, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Dropbox subscription, start by signing into your Dropbox account. Open a web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings page, navigate to the Plan tab. Here, you will see your current subscription details. Look for the option labeled Cancel Plan. Click on Cancel Plan to initiate the cancellation process. Dropbox will prompt you with a confirmation message. Read through the information provided about cancellation. If you are sure you want to proceed, click on the Confirmation button. You will receive a notification confirming the cancellation of your subscription. Check your email for a confirmation message from Dropbox. Make sure to save this confirmation for your records. If you have any further questions, visit the Dropbox Help Center. And that's it. You have successfully canceled your Dropbox subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.